How's it going today, everyone? If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you to Iron Antler Adventures. I'm James. Today we're going to be doing some magnet fishing. I'm out here with my dad. We're going to try a little mud hole down here a lot of people fish in, hopefully find some knives and tools, things like that. Then we're going to go to another bridge we've been to some. And then if you're looking for a magnet, go check out Kratos Magnetics. They got some awesome magnets. And use my discount code Iron Antler. It'll get you 12% off of any of your purchases. So be sure and check them out. Don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. So we're gonna get the camera strapped on and we're gonna get after it. All right, we didn't have any luck at the other spot. So we're back at an old familiar bridge. We've never trod this Kratos Titan 360 here. We're gonna give it a try. And remember, if you're looking for a magnet, folks, use my discount code Iron Antler. That'll give you 12% off your purchase. All right, here we go. First throw. Get after it. Well, Dad said he thinks he's got something. All right, Dad's got something down there. Well, I can see it. I don't know if it's part of a bed frame or part of a sign.
Little slap the ridge.
All right, there it is, folks. I'm not exactly sure what that is. It might be part of a bed frame.
Yep.
All right, feels like we got something on here on our first throw. Not sure what it is. We were on something big down there. Magnet wouldn't even move it. See some wiring. That's a transducer or something. Not exactly sure what it is. This is what I come up with. I don't know. That almost looks like it's maybe a top off of a old kitchen stove or something. All right, we didn't think we had anything on there, but we got this bullet. Found one earlier. I thought I was recording and I wasn't. There's a tip to a bullet. Let's see what we got. That looks like it's got a roller on it. Golly. Not exactly sure what that is. If anybody knows, let me know down in the comments, please. All right, we just hooked on something big. If we can get it up out of there. We got it broke loose from the mud. Well, I still don't know what we got. It looks like part of an old barrel or something. So we grabbed that with the side of this magnet. Think that thing ain't crazy strong. Check that out. Well, Dad's got something here. We ain't sure what he's got.
Plastic.
Got plastic with metal inside of it. If anybody knows, let's know down in the comments what you think it is. All right, we got something hanging off of there. If it don't come off. Oh, that looks like part of an old shoe rack. All right, we got something heavy on there if it'll stay. It's heavy. What in the heck is that? I have no idea what we got. All I can tell you is it's heavy. Hopefully we don't lose it.
Part of the car.
It looks like.
Bumper, ain't it?
Huh?
Bumper, ain't it?
I guess that's what it is. It's a bumper. Yeah, I don't know what that big thing is. I felt it come up, pick up, and spin almost like, I ain't gonna say it's a motorcycle, but that's what it acted like. That's a piece of an exhaust pipe. Yep, we got us a big old piece of rebar. I guess that's some kind of a filter. An old oil filter that's rusted away. I'm not sure. It's got a spring in it. Never found nothing quite like that. Alright. Dad's using my wife's Kratos 2400. First throw he's ever tried it. And he's got something. Get up here and take a look at it.
If I lose a magnet, I can't go home.
Yeah, if he loses the magnet, he can't go home. My wife will skin him. That almost, I don't know if that's door trim or trim off of a, I bet that's part of a bed frame, the rounded piece of a bed frame. Looks like part of a washing machine. Not positive, but it's pretty good size, whatever it is.
Oh, it's heavy. Well, I'm weak.
It's probably heavy.
I think a little both.
That mud falling off should help a little bit.
Tightened it up a little.
What's that, 2 throws, 2 fines with that Kratos?
No, third throw. I found a little piece of sheet metal for second throw.
But you found something every throw with it so far. Yeah, that kind of looks like the top of a washing machine, but I ain't sure what it is.
It's all big.
Got a big bracket on it.
Here's a lid.
You guys see that jump across there? That's why these things are so good. They'll draw stuff from a long ways off. That looks like a piece of pipe like I found a while ago.
It got lighter when that mud's falling out of it.
Yeah.
Maybe it needs to go full of crawdads. About ready to move that spot.
Look at that, just like the one I found. That's crazy. Find 2 of those. There's no telling what's in this water. People who live around here said town people have been dumping in here for 60, 70 years. So there's no telling what we could find in here.
Well, that's a part of the curtain rod.
That's what it looks like.
There wasn't no curtain rod I had on there. Oh! It dropped my pocket, didn't it?
Yeah. Alright, we just hooked on something big if we can keep it on there. Keep it out of the rocks. What in the heck is that? I don't know what it is. I just know it's heavy. Oh, it's a muffler, I think. Golly, that thing is heavy, full of water and mud. I don't think it's a catalytic converter. Oh. Look at that. That's crazy. I think we're about done at this bridge. I think we're going to go check another one out. So we'll see you at the next bridge.
If it is.
Alright, Dad pulled this up. Getting ready to leave, and he found a fidget spinner.
I thought it was a Mickey Mouse when I first seen it. His ears were looking up.
That's what it is. I'd never found one of those. It's pretty cool. All right, we grabbed something back up and under the bridge right off the bat. Try to get it up here and see what it is. Looks like we got a lot of something. Oh man, we just grabbed the bridge too.
Scrap metal.
Yep, that's some scrap metal. Looks like a piece of, I don't know if that's a piece off this bridge. Alright, we just hooked on something big. If I'm strong enough to get it up out of there. Holy cow. I don't know if I'm strong enough to get it up or not. Yeah, if you'll take it. Hang on to the slack and let me pull. I don't know if you folks can see that or not. Golly, oh no. Magnet just grabbed the dang bridge.
Magnet hung the bridge.
Yeah. Let me see if I can get a hold of that piece. And well, I don't know what to do now.
Take your rope and loop around that.
Well, let's
Loop around the front of it, pull it up to for you with a hold of that magnet.
come on.
I'll pull it over. There, magnet, no. Good deal.
Look at that. Holy cow. Check that out, everybody. If I can get it to turn over where you can see it. Look at that.
Ooh, that's weird shapes, don't
Yeah. That's crazy. Wonder what other parts are off down in there. Alright, we just grabbed something else underneath there. When we were here before, I don't think we threw under the bridge. It almost looks like another. Ah, dang it. I tell you what, that Titan grabs anything in its way. That's another piece of that.
Yeah, I got a spring or something.
Yeah.
Well, you got an old oil.
Big old nail.
One deal, some old metal oil.
There's an old oil spout that you used to put oil in the cars with. I ain't seen one of them in a long time. And this here, whatever it goes to. And that, I guess that's some kind of a stake or something. It's got a pointed end on it. Alright, we got another magnet pull, looks like. Looks like it's got a bag on there.
Tin can, ain't it?
No, it's plastic.
Plastic? I guess it was stuck to that.
It's got something magnetic in it. I don't know what's in it. Pour it out, see if we can find out. Oh, that looks like a sinker, a bolt. Sinker's lead, it didn't stick. Then we got all this stuff. There's a shell casing, 2 shell casings, 3 shell casings, a bunch of scrap, 4 shell casings. That looks like another piece of that chair. Look at all that. There's a caster. This magnet is just insane, everyone. All right, that's going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. Remember, if you're looking for a magnet, Kratos Magnetics, discount code Iron Antler. We're going to load all this stuff up in the truck, head to the house. Be sure to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, beard out.